Christopher Creek Spice Company is Jeremy Cox's family legacy.
This is the recipe I grew up eating. It was back in 2007. Found myself unemployed and had a family recipe, and I thought, you know what? Let me share it with people.
Cox created packaged spice mixes of tried and true recipes that make it easy for every family to get a delicious meal on the table.
Our chili mix makes enough to feed a family of 4, plus have leftovers, because we all know that chili tastes better the next day. So, we really kept that in mind when we were, finalizing our blend and our recipe.
Each packet has a suggested ingredient list and recipe on the back to further simplify the process and make dinner budget-friendly.
To make a pot of chili to serve 8 people, you're looking, depending on the meat you want to use, maybe about $20. So, you're not spending a lot of money to make your dinner for your family of 4 or 5 or 6. So it's a quick, easy option, cost efficient, and make a little cornbread and you got a full meal.
A meal that's not only easy, but also comforting and satisfying.